Information, entertainment, and education on one click. Little genius time, learn with fun and
Meow Velis greetings from Little Geniuses. I am Professor Paws, your furry friend from the Funtastic School of Knowledge. Welcome to my magical classroom, where every click brings you information, education, and a whole lot of entertainment. We'll explore amazing facts, solve cool mysteries, and laugh our tails off while learning. But wait, before we jump into the positively exciting world of learning, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all your friends. Your support helps me work harder and keep the fun learning coming, one paw step at a time. So, are you ready? Let's open the Book of Wonders and begin the adventure together.
Little genius time, learn with fun and
How do plants grow? Hey there, little explorers. Have you ever looked at a plant and wondered how it grows? Let's dig into the world of plants and find out. It all starts with a tiny seed. When we plant the seed in the soil, something magical begins to happen. Seeds need water, sunlight, and soil to grow. The water softens the seed, and the sunlight gives it energy to start growing. First, the seed grows roots. The roots hold the plant in the ground and soak up water and nutrients from the soil. Next, the stem pushes up through the soil and leaves appear. The leaves are like tiny food factories. They use sunlight to make food for the plant in a process called photosynthesis. Some plants grow flowers. Flowers help plants make new seeds so more plants can grow. Bees and butterflies help by carrying pollen from one flower to another. With the right care, plants can grow big and strong, giving us fruits, vegetables, shade, and even oxygen to breathe. And that's how plants grow, from a tiny seed to something amazing. So the next time you see a plant, give it a little smile and say thanks, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more fun learning videos.